By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get pre-approved for a mortgage, what lenders actually look at, what to have ready, and the one move almost nobody makes that could save you over $30,000. And that last one. It's the reason I made this video. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get into it. Here's where most people go wrong. They walk through an open house. They picture their kids in the backyard. They fall in love. Then they scramble to figure out financing. By the time their paperwork's together, someone else has already made an offer with a pre-approval letter in hand. The National Association of Realtors found that nearly 30% of failed home purchases collapse because of financing issues. Almost 1 in 3 deals gone. So let's make sure that's not you. Before you talk to a single lender, get your 3 numbers straight. Your credit score, your debt-to-income ratio, and your down payment amount. Check your credit for free at annualcreditreport.com, the official government site, not the paid ones. Your debt-to-income ratio is just your monthly debt payments divided by your gross monthly income. Lenders want that under 43% for most conventional loans. Here's why this matters in real dollars. Going from a 680 credit score to a 760 can save you $200 to $400 a month on a $400,000 mortgage. That's not a rounding error. That's a car payment. You can't fix what you don't know. Now here's where things get serious. There's a difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval, and mixing them up has cost people their dream homes. Pre-qualification is a quick estimate. No verification, 15 minutes, a guess. Pre-approval is the real thing. You're at your kitchen table late at night, pulling bank statements from 3 accounts, tracking down old pay stubs. You submit W-2s, tax returns, everything. The lender verifies it all, pulls your credit, and hands you a letter with a specific dollar amount. That letter is what sellers respect. Without it, you're window shopping. During the 2021 housing frenzy, Redfin reported the average home got nearly 5 offers and sold in 17 days. Agents watched clients lose 3, 4, sometimes 8 houses before getting serious about pre-approval. And remember, that letter expires in 60 to 90 days. The clock starts the moment it hits your inbox. Get the letter before you fall in love with a house. The letter is your armor. If this is clicking for you, hit subscribe. I make videos like this every week, and the best part of this one is still coming. All right, this is the one I've been saving. Here's what holds most people back. They're terrified that applying to multiple lenders will tank their credit score. So they apply to one bank and take whatever rate they're given. A Consumer Financial Protection Bureau report found that nearly half of borrowers only seriously consider one lender. Half. But here's what almost nobody knows. When you apply for multiple mortgages within a 45-day window, the credit bureaus treat all those hard inquiries as a single pull. One lender or 5. Same impact on your score. The system was literally designed for you to shop around. A Freddie Mac study found that borrowers who got at least 5 rate quotes saved an average of $3,000 in just the first 5 years. Picture a teacher named Maria in Austin. She's staring at her bank's offer after school one afternoon. 7.2% on a $380,000 loan. Her stomach drops. Then a friend tells her to shop around. She fills out 2 more applications that same week. 45 minutes of her time. A credit union comes back at 6.85%. She reads the number twice. $92 less per month. Over 30 years, $33,000 saved. As Holden Lewis from NerdWallet put it, most people spend more time choosing a refrigerator than comparing mortgage offers. That 45-day window is open right now. Don't leave money on the table over a fear that doesn't even apply. So, 3 moves. Know your numbers before you talk to anyone. Get pre-approved, not pre-qualified, before you start shopping. And shop multiple lenders in that window, because that's where the real money is. I read a post once from a first-time buyer who said, "When I got the pre-approval letter, I just sat there. I grew up watching my mom struggle with rent. And here's this letter saying I could buy a house. I had to read it like 4 times. That feeling is worth every minute you spend getting ready." If this helped, share it with someone who's thinking about buying a home, and subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down exactly what happens between pre-approval and closing day, step by step.